But somewhere I read of the freedom of assembly. Somewhere I read of the freedom of speech. Somewhere I read of the freedom of press.
Two Fort Myers police officers are named in a federal lawsuit accused of tasing a man they had no reason to arrest. Thank you for joining us. I'm Kelly Burns.
And I'm Peter Bush. The tasing happened last year at a 7-Eleven off State Road 82 and Colonial Boulevard. NBC2's Jacqueline Beavis took a closer look at what happened that day.
The plaintiff in the case tells us that he's hoping his lawsuit teaches law enforcement a lesson. The attorney says alongside that, he'll be asking for a lot of money as well. The allegations surround that single gas station incident. Here's a look from the beginning to the end.
I just don't want to see anybody innocent go through the stuff that I went through.
This lawsuit is where it all stands today. Two Fort Myers police officers accused of racially profiling.
He ended up getting beaten, tased, handcuffed, and arrested for the crime of shopping in a store.
Arrest documents say police responded to an intoxicated person at the gas station. Body camera video starts in the beginning. Jones in front of the store clerk.
Get a minute, I gotta talk to you outside. I just gotta talk to you.
Jones later goes in for a handshake, but the tense situation becomes evident.
I'm all right, don't touch me.
You sure?
Don't touch me.
Are you sure? Okay, I won't touch.
A second officer arrives and Jones agrees to go outside the gas station.
Stand right there in front of the bumper. Listen, man.
And that's when things go from bad to worse.
One thing, but trying to put down
Listen,
is another
listen,
thing.
you're
Wait,
coming-
what the hell no? What's wrong with y'all? Let's fucking go.
All he did in this case was have the audacity to walk away from the cops when they unlawfully told him to stand in front of a police car and get ready to get beaten.
Jones admits while being in cuffs that he has drugs. The 42-year-old also has an open drug case in Lee County now.
Drugs used to be a part of my life. They're no longer.
In federal court documents, attorneys say the decisions of police ignore Jones' rights as a citizen.
The problem is that there's this small minority of cops that go around and really ruin it for the good ones.
I don't have no phobias. I just know that there's some good people, there's some bad people.
Now, the charges in that original case were all dropped by the state attorney's office. We reached out to Fort Myers police, who declined to comment. We did also ask the status of the two officers involved, but haven't heard back. We have a request in for any additional body camera video as well. Live in the studio, Jacqueline Beavis.
I'm not worried about anything. I'm not fearing any man.